So now let's do the connection. Okay, so here we see we have the FortiGate firewall, we have the Windows machine available right now. And what I want here, I want to connect a LAN connection, I want to have one WAN connection, and I want to have the management. So once you install ESXi, by default, you will have one adapter available. So I'll go to the networking. By default, you will see VM network or VM1. So right now I'll be using VM network. So in your case also, you will be getting the VM network. Okay. So I'll go to FGD testing. So the first interface I'll be using as the management, and also I'll be using as a WAN. Okay. So go to edit, the first adapter number one, right? I'm using as a VM network, right? So right now what we are saying, so let me just note down here, this is VM network, right? So I'm connecting port number one as a VM network where it will get the IP from the WAN, right? And also that I'll be using for the management access. VM network, save it, perfect. Now the port number two and the Windows machine port, the network adapter one, I need to connect, right? So for that, we will configure one virtual switch. And how we configure that? Go to the networking, go to the virtual machine, virtual server switches, add a virtual server, virtual switch, click here, give it a name, FGT underscore testing. I'll just delete after these testing, right? Just say add. So right now we have one virtual switch. So you can assume this line is a virtual switch. I need to connect the ports. So let's configure one port. Go to port group, add a port group, FGT underscore LAN. What VLAN? Any VLAN you can use right now. And which virtual switch I want to associate this one, that is FGT testing, right? And just say okay. So now that switch is having a port available, one port group available, that is the VLAN 10. And which port that is actually? FGT LAN. Now I'll go to FGT testing, this FortiGate VM. I will edit this one. And in the network adapter 2, I will be using FGT LAN and just save. Same here, I'll go to the Windows testing. I'll edit this one and I will use the network adapter one as FGT testing. FGT LAN, my bad. And just save it. So right now, both network adapters, the Windows machine and the FortiGate VM network adapter 2, they are using the FortiGate LAN. So now they both are connected. So it means now whatever IP I'll configure here and here in the same subnet, they will communicate, right? And as the first interface I'm using for the WAN and for the management also, right? So that will get the IP address, right? So let's turn it on. So now it will boot up. So here we have the serial number. So first time, once it will boot up, it will format the disk. Perfect. So now the VM is up and running. So in the next video, we will see how we can log in and how we can verify the IP address of the management and how we can get the UI access.